Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a very simple but fun code example. Basically we're going to ask the user to enter something in an input box. If they enter nothing, we will tell them they've entered nothing. If they enter something, we will tell them that they have entered something. So for example, if they enter the name, it will tell them you have entered and then their name. If they've entered nothing, it will prompt them to enter something. So without further ado, let's start. So enter something. So we're going to create a variable here, a scalar variable, and call it my scalar input data, and we're going to assign it to that, nothing. We're going to create another variable now called my scalar entry, assign it to prompt to get the user input, and then add a little message so the user knows what to do. Enter something. Now we're going to use a conditional starting with if. So if the entry, whatever the user entered, is equal to the scalar input data, which we did above, the input data, if it's equal to that, we're going to do something. First of all, we're going to print out a message to the user saying you must enter something. And then we're going to take them right back to that where they can enter something again by using enter something. We're going to take them right back there, or else we're going to print them a message using say you entered, and that's going to be scalar entry. So we're going to tell them exactly what they entered. And now just to call the program, we call it by saying enter something. And then we save it, and then what we do, we run it from the terminal here. So to do that, Raku, name of my program new.raku, hit entry. Okay, so we've got the entry there to enter something. So I'm going to enter nothing. Just going to hit return. You must enter something. Nope. You must enter something. Dave. Okay. You entered Dave. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And make sure you give it a thumbs up. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.